Is Hollywood an engine of propaganda for Washington, D.C.? Well, the US Department of Defense tweeted this. And this is how people reacted. Military participation in Hollywood is no secret and dates back to nearly a century ago. All scripts involving the military need DoD approval to accurately depict military stories and to, quote, make sure sensitive information isn't disclosed. Some of the many films reviewed by the Pentagon include Pearl Harbor, Armageddon, and Transformers. And it's not only the Pentagon that works with Hollywood. A 4,000-page document obtained through the Freedom of Information Act reveals both the military and intelligence agencies' influence on over 800 major movies and more than 1,000 TV titles. The CIA say they are engaging with the industry to ensure an accurate portrayal of the men and women of the CIA.
So is Washington, D.C. manipulating scripts to show us this rather than this?